guys, I'm Devin with Freckled Mom. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, hey! So today I am showing you guys another video of me cleaning and organizing. And I know you're probably thinking, like, why do you keep doing this? Well, I'm gonna tell you, because I've been super busy getting stuff ready for my retail booth. I have definitely been crafting and DIYing and painting and creating new things for the booth, and I've been recording it, but I haven't really had time to sit down and edit it. I've had a lot of advice of different programs to edit to make it quicker. I just don't seem to like them. So right now I'm using VideoPad and I really like it. It's just the actual sitting down and like editing it kind of thing. Today you're gonna get a little video of me when I went shopping the other day. So I went shopping at Walmart and I did the after Christmas sale. I went to the dollar store and I got a bunch of stuff. So I got stuff for Valentine's Day, which has already been seen in some of my videos. So I'll post that in the description so you guys can see those videos if you haven't seen it already. I also got stuff for Easter. I am not one to like really go, ahead of myself for that kind of stuff, but I figured I saw it was super cute stuff. I wanted to get it and just be ready, And I know that like certain dollar stores carry certain supply at certain times. So when I saw the certain things, which you're gonna see in the video, they are just super cute and I love them so much. Oh my God, I have such a thing for like little tiny things and I just think it's adorable. I am super excited because we are starting our retail booth this week. So the retail space is at the Rainham Flea Market and it is only open on Sundays, but they allow you to go in on Wednesday to set up. And while we've been knowing about it, because we've been on a wait list for what feels like forever, we haven't really been ready for it. So we didn't want to have a bunch of stuff just sitting in the garage and taking up space when we had no idea when we were going to get the call. Was it going to be January or February? Like, we had no idea, because a lot of these people who are at the flea market have been there for like 20, 30 years, like for a long time. And so we didn't know when a booth was going to open up. And so we had some stuff ready, but not a lot of stuff. So yesterday and today I've been working on the sign, for our booth, lining the shelves and just making sure that all my inventory, all my supply is priced and in my POS and ready to go. So I am like super excited, and it's just a lot of work that is exciting, but it's still a lot of work. So I have actually been documenting it. So you guys, I'm hoping I'll have it ready for Sunday, because that would be nice, because we are opening on Sunday. So Sunday is our grand opening, but it's also a day that I upload my videos. So I don't know if I'm gonna change my days, because like I said, on Wednesdays, you can go in and set up all your stuff, like bring in your new supply and things like that on Wednesdays. And on Sundays, you are open. You're open from 8 to 5. So it's a long day. And my husband's we're going together. We started the booth together. He's gonna be doing his stuff. I'm gonna be doing my stuff. And so it's, it's definitely a joint operation, but we're gonna go together, for the 8 to 5. And we might take separate cars because of my neuropathy and all my issues. If I get tired, I can go home and, but I feel bad leaving him, So I'm super excited, but like I said, it's on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I don't know how that's gonna work with my videos, because my videos are uploaded on Wednesday and Sunday. And most times I'm pretty good with my videos, and they're edited and they are scheduled and ready to upload, and I don't have to worry about it. Other times it's Wednesday morning and I'm still doing, narration, I'm still editing, I'm still rendering. And if you guys have seen some of my other videos, some of them are kind of lengthy. So the lengthier ones take a little bit longer to render. So anyways, this video today is so much fun because it's all my little fun things I found from Walmart for the after Christmas sale, and some Easter items and Valentine's items, like I said, and you'll see some of those items from past videos. So I'm excited. So let's get right into it. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I have so many fun videos, and I really do think that I do a little bit of everything. I do some thrift hauls, I do some DIYs, some crafting, and then some just furniture refinishing. So there's a lot of stuff for you to see, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, that way you know whenever I upload a new video. And let's get started. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow, but it also lets me know that you guys like my content and that you want me to keep doing what I'm doing. Also like my video and comment so that way I know that is the kind of stuff that you like. Also, I'm on Instagram and I'm on Facebook as Freckled Mom. I also have a blog where I talk about sobriety and motherhood and recipes, and I talk about my projects, and it's just a lot of fun stuff. And that's at freckledmom.com. So as I can hear the animals rumbling coming on in, I'm gonna say goodbye and have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I see you soon. Bye!